Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Wanted to do a quick webcast here right at the end of the day. Bell rang a few minutes ago. So look, the bulls had a very good day. Following up on what we talked about this morning, they were attempting to convert the 9-day and the 20-day. You see where they're both coming together there. They did. Hourly chart. So Sunday night, they come in, they hold weekly pivot. We get into the regular session, and they took it down as low as 64. We were originally short into 64, had a nice little short, and then went ahead and got long right at 75. The opening print for the regular session was 75. We got long there and rode that up for the majority of the morning. It was choppy most of the midday, which is, when you're fighting over the roundy, when you're fighting over 2,600, that's to be expected. So here's your 5-minute chart, which I'll make a little smaller. So here's your opening print. They tried to take it down. The yellow line here is volume weighted average price. It held up nicely. When 75 converts, ends up being a really nice long. We did that to the tune of, we got a 20 handle runner on that. They retrace it back. They hold our proprietary upper level at 88. That's this line right here. And then they just proceed to walk it up. They spend most of the middle of the day chopping it around, and then they go ahead and they just ramp it right up hard, squeezing them into the close. Big short squeeze. So right now we are long 26.75 against believe our last marker was a 25 or 24 marker. We've taken profits on most of that. We got a runner left tonight, so we'll let that run into Globex and see what happens. So, a really solid day for the room. And as we go into tonight, they really took it up. My question is, at this point, back on the daily chart, did they take it up too much? Is some of this going to have to get retraced? Bulls are building on what they did last week. We talked about weekly pivot support last week, weekly pivot support last night. If you lose enough of those battles, then you're going to be able to turn things into a dip buy market. They bought the dip right at 75 this morning. They didn't look back. They churned a little bit in the morning. So tonight, keep your eye out. Highs of the day at 68.5. 26.20 to 26.30 is going to be important. The monthly pivot at 26.22.67 got converted today. 5-minute midband right now is at 30.25. So we'll see what the overnight looks like. I am contemplating getting a more in-depth evening webcast out tonight, depending on how much time I have. And I would encourage you to check that out as well. Take care. Have a great evening. Be safe. Be healthy. Come join us in the room. Talk to you tonight and then again in the morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.